Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the whole board test. It is one of the tests for screening the anti-anxiety effects of any type of the molecule. It is a preclinical type of the screening. Now, what is anxiety? Anxiety is nothing but the body response or body's natural response to the any type of stress. Now, whole board test it is used to measure anxiety. Neophilia. Neophilia is a strong affinity towards a novelty or new area. Then certain stress and emotionality in the animals, particularly small animals. Now this test was designed in 1970s and used in behavioral pharmacology. In this test, particularly three types of response are measured. First is the head dipping. Head dipping is nothing but when the animals put his head into the holes until its ears are at the level with the floor or it breaks the infrared beam. So this is what the whole board apparatus. Here you can find all the four sides are closed so that animal cannot be easily escape from this floor, and in the floor there are 4 into 4 types of the hole which are made at equidistance. And what is head dipping? When the animal put his head up to the ear into this hole is called as the head dipping. What is rearing? Rearing is when the animal stands on its hind limbs is called as rearing, and locomotion is the animal moving to a different area with all the four paws, the movement of animals. So most of the times when the animals are anxious, it will not it does not shows much of such types of the behavior. If you use anti-anxiety drugs or anxiolytic drugs, so if you increase the dose of anxiolytic drugs, they will leads to the sedation. So observation of the response is quite difficult, or one can go with a careful observation of the response while doing this type of the test. What is the procedure? Now in this case, you required animal, you can take mouse or the rat. Then either sex are allowed. Mouse you can take 20 to 30 grams and rat 180 to 20 to 50 grams. You can use the taste drug, maybe taste drug, your herbal formulation or any allopathic formulation you can use as a taste drug. Then syringe, needles or oral feeding needles is required based on the types of your drugs and based on the route of the administration of the drug. So mainly for practical purpose, you can divide the animal into two groups. First is the control where the n is equal to 6, and standard drug you can use as a diazepam. And apart from that, if you have one more drug, then it is considered as a test drug, and a different doses of the test drug, a different doses of the standard drug can be screened using this instrument. Now let's see how the experiment is carried out. This is a whole board apparatus, and this apparatus is used to examine the anxiolytic or anti-anxiety effect of the drug. Now if you find this is a square box, and this box is placed some 1 or 1.5 feet above the floor, then there is a digital display. Now here if you find the floor of the box is equally there is a equal distance hole, 4 by 4 holes are there. If you find these are the holes, and in that hole there is some LED is placed, that so that this is what a modification. If one can go for this modification, that is okay, so that it can know the reading from outside. Otherwise this is sufficient. So this border are made in such a way that the animal cannot escape from this area. Now to check the anxiety activity, you have to keep the animal into the center. Now the animal will try to uh, poke the head into these holes. So this is called as whole head dipping or nose poking. So suppose this is the ear of the mice. Up to that ear, if he entered into the hole, that is considered as a one, as a reading. So three types of reading we always observed here, that grooming, then rearing, and the head dipping. So we'll just see how this experiment is carried out. You can take the mice, keep the mice in the center, and observe the reading. It is head dipping. See, head dipping. So up to 5 minutes you can observe this head dipping, how much time the animal will produce such types of head dipping or rearing or grooming. As for this animal, this area is new or newer environment, so it gets somewhat anxious about this area. So we make two groups, one is control, another is diazepam treated. So control group will shows the anxiety because of the newer environment, and when you give diazepam, it will going to reduce the anxiety of the animals. So number of head dipping or nose poking you can observe, the animal will show, see this. Okay, so this is considered as a one response. You can count this for the 5 minutes and then put the another animal. Hope you all will understand how the experiment is carried out using the mice. Now you can prepare observation table like this. In this case, you can put here the group. Suppose you are using the 6 animal, you can write down the 6 animal of control, 6 animal of diazepam, 6 animal of test. In diazepam and test also, you can use different concentration of the drugs. Accordingly, you can design the observation table. Here you can write down the dose, it is vehicle, and here the dose of the drugs. Then you can find out the head dipping. So this total observation carried out for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, how many times the animal shows head dipping, you can write down the number here. Likewise for different groups. Then how many times rearing is observed, you can write down the rearing. Then locomotion, so here write down whether you observed the locomotion or not. So after getting the result, after getting the observation of all the groups, you can find out the mean and SEM by using the software. Then compare different groups amongst test, standard, and control, and find out the efficacy of your drugs as an anti-anxiety molecule. So thank you for listening this experiment. Thank you.